Good morning students. The subject name is welding technology. Today we can discuss about the resistance welding process. What is meant by resistance butt welding? Heat is produced in the weld region by resistance to the passage of the welding current through the part, which are held under a preset end force. As the material heat, the forge the shaft material to consolidate and complete the joint. There are two types of resistance butt welding: offset butt welding, flash butt welding. The general application for resistance butt welding: wire and rod joints up to 60 mm diameter, including chain and narrow strip joints such as a automobile rod wheel rims. It is generally used in to joint components of similar cross section by making a weld cross section the entire section in the single operation. Next one, offset butt welding. The offset butt welding is a form of resistance welding applied in this case to a relative large weld joint area. Heat is obtained from resistance to electric current passing through the joint. Force is applied before heating and is maintained throughout the heating period. Butt welding in the continuous pressure is applied until the work is plastic, then followed by the pressure high enough to produce a offset joint. It is generally used in principally non-ferrous materials for weld bars, rods, wires, tubing and formed parts. Next one, flash butt welding. The welding process is a principle of regulator electric short circuit with the two rail ends functioning as DC poles. The high current produced on or between the rail ends. The two rail cross sections are heated to melting temperature due to the high input of the current. Flash welding and butt welding are resistance welding process in which is produced simultaneously over the entire area of the two surface. In both process, heat for welding is obtained by the resistance to electric current between the two facing surface. The basic difference between the flash welding process and the butt welding process: the terms are sometimes misused or used interchangeably and can become confusing in the application. Either in any resistance welding process, two or more pieces of the metal are joined by the heat and pressure for a controlled amount of time. Both flash and butt welding process can performed using alternating current or direct current, secondary current with primary input power of single phase or three phase. This is similar to butt welding, except that the part of to be welded or joined together under light pressure and heavy current passed through the joint. Due to poor contact at the joint take place when the sufficient heat has been produced, the two parts are suddenly pressed together and the current is simultaneously stopped. A thin flame is produced around the joint, which is subsequently removed to give the weld of this type. It is generally used for welding chains, rail ends, shaft axle and other. Poor requirements is less. Next one, percussion welding. Two pieces are welded by high intensity short duration or followed by very rapid or fortuitous impacting of the workpiece. The surface of the sequence together by the and some of the metal is forced out to the side of the joint. This process is quite similar to offset welding and flash welding, but is used for welding part of the same geometry and cross section. In this process, arc is produced by very rapid discharge of stored electric energy across a rapidly decreasing air gap, which is immediately the general application of pressure and power to the gather progressive percussive manner. Percussion welding Percussion welding generally used in dissimilar metals together or used when the flash is not required at the joint. Metals have small cross section area. The general advantages of percussion welding: shallow heat affected zone and time cycle involved is very short. Next one, stud welding. The stud welding metal forces such as a weld stud, weld pin and tapered stud to be welded onto another metal object using on arc lightning speed. On arc is produced between the end of the stud and the surface of the workpiece. Melting both parts, the stud is then forged into molten pool. The material solidified and the stud is welded. The weld is uniform and has complete fusion across the flange. As the whole surface of the weld stud is joined with the workpiece, the resulting weld is stronger than the stud or parent material. Since no holes are punched in the sheet, the workpiece is not weakened and corrosion problems are minimized. When the welding, the stud access is only required from the one side, which means that the components handling is considerably when the welding stud is access is only required from one side, which means that component handling is considerably facilitated, especially as regard establishing on earth connections. This absolutely leak-proof, hole-free and decorative joints technique is used in many everyday objects and facilitates the handling. Coffee machine, cooking pots, flat iron, steam cookers, or even in vehicle and roofing. Thank you.